In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a watch list into TradingView for free, a straightforward process that can enhance your trading experience by organizing the assets you want to track closely. Let's dive right into it and walk through each step to make sure you have all the information you need for a smooth and successful import of your watch list. First, we'll begin with accessing TradingView by navigating to the BTUSD demo assets. This is a great place to start if you're not already familiar with where to access your watch list. Logging into TradingView and heading to the BTCUSD demo asset is an excellent introductory step that ensures we are all on the same page before proceeding further. Once you're on the BTCUSD asset page, direct your attention to the watchlist icon. You'll find this on the right side of your screen. This icon is your gateway to accessing various functions related to asset management within TradingView. Go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you activate the panel that houses your current watch list. This crucial feature provides you with quick access to all the assets you have on your radar. Next, look for the drop-down menu within the watchlist panel. This menu is essential as it contains options that allow you to customize how your watchlist functions and what it displays. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a list of actions you can take. This step helps you transition smoothly from browsing to making specific changes or actions related to your watch list. Once you've clicked on the drop-down menu, search for the option labeled Import List. Clicking on Import List opens a dialog box that allows you to bring in a pre-made watch list from another source. Importing a list is a significant advantage because it enables you to consolidate your trading interests without the hassle of manually entering each one, streamlining your workflow enormously. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively imported a watch list into TradingView without any cost involved. Remember, importing a watch list saves you considerable time and allows you to focus more on analyzing the market rather than setting up your environment. Now you're equipped to better track your preferred assets and make more informed trading decisions. Feel free to explore more functionalities within TradingView and experiment with additional features to support your trading strategies. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on optimizing your trading platforms and strategies. Happy trading!